PJ Masks, 5 Little Ninjalinos, a Halloween story. 5 little Ninjalinos strolled under a full moon. They were hoping that their leader would be arriving soon. But Night Ninja was late. He was nowhere to be seen. He was searching for a costume, something cool for Halloween. So 5 little Ninjalinos kept walking through the park. One spotted Gecko smiling in the dark. The second one pointed. Owlette was in the air. The third one thought, "Oh, that's just not fair." The fourth one looked around. At least Catboy isn't here. The fifth one squealed as Catboy landed near. 5 little Ninjalinos didn't know what to do. So they got into formation. One shouted, "Wahoo!" Then Gecko said, "Surprise!" Owlette said, "Don't be mean." Catboy said, "Join us. Help us celebrate Halloween." The PJ Masks turned around as the Ninjalinos cheered. They were all so excited. Night Ninja had appeared. With no costume in sight, he looked as normal as can be. He said, "I suddenly realized there's no one cooler than me." Catboy said, "Come to our party. We're not here to fight." Night Ninja nodded. "Let's be friends, only for tonight." 5 little Ninjalinos all were feeling glad. It was the best Halloween the Ninjalinos ever had. Happy Halloween, everyone! Be safe and have fun trick-or-treating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more PJ Masks stories, check out my PJ Masks playlist. And if you enjoyed the story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate it. See you in the next video.